everyone, I'm glad to see you visiting my channel. My new videos are coming more often and often, so stay tuned. In this video I've got a surprise for you where I actually am in the outfit of a gymnast. So as you can see, it hugs my body very nicely, and I like these heels that I put on. And I hope you like this gymnast outfit. It's all in one piece. It's with slight décolletage. It's elasticated, it's with stripes, orange stripes and black stripes, which is quite unusual for a gymnast to have such colors. I haven't seen a gymnast with this particular outfit, but I thought I'm going to wear it like as if I'm a gymnast. I always wanted to become a gymnast when I was little, but now I feel like I can become a gymnast if I'm in an outfit like so.
What does it all mean? What does it all mean? Our awareness is constantly fighting ourselves awake from sleep paralysis. And there we unwillingly hang, suspended on the plane of a parallel universe. Our souls lost between the conscious and the unconscious. So, what does it all mean? Well, nothing, of course. We're infinitely meaningless. Yet
Please write below comments if you like my outfit of a gymnast, so I know whether you like it or not. And if you have ideas, please tell me what else would you like me to wear in my videos. What kind of videos do you want me to do for you? I love this outfit, and it makes me feel so comfortable and quite sexy, and I feel as if I can wear this in the summer, at least around my home. To wear it to feel sexy and to wear an outfit which is nice, why not?
We're infinitely meaningless, yet infinitely everything.
Thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and see you soon in the next video. Love you.